make it with clean, 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 clean.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna try American Burger King and then I'm gonna grade it with Jamaican Burger King. I'm not really a burger girl, so I got a small one, like a junior size one here. So I have some fries here, and this is what I got. Very small. Some mayo, sweet and sour sauce, and ketchup. Then get a bunch of ketchup and something. Only in Jamaica you would get one. I think I start pay for the mayo in Jamaica. Yeah. Comment down below. I think the last time I go Burger King they said I have to pay for the mayo. Yeah. So I'm gonna try the fries and see. This is the fries. All right. So Jamaican fries taste way better. Like this fries, I would give it a 4. And the fries in Jamaica, I would give it a 8. But it tastes good with the sweet and sour sauce. Let's see for the burger. The burger is cold, so I'm gonna warm it up. Let's do that. All right, so now it's nice and warm. Let me see. See there? The junior one, the kids one. So this is it. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. So I put cheese on it. I let them have mayo, so it have lettuce, onion, and tomato and pickles. I don't like pickles, so I'm gonna remove that. And it's nice and warm. I like warm food. So the fries, I'll give it a 3, but with the sauce, it can go up to a 4. Yeah, but the fries, you know, no. Fries daddy. Yeah. Not really. And I got a Coke. I'm gonna drink some of that because I'm a bit thirsty. Whenever I drink soda, my eye burn me, so I don't know why I always do that. I'm just gonna add some ketchup on my burger because I want a little more. Yeah. I'm not supposed to drink soda, man. It burned me high. So let's see. Let's try it. This tastes good because I don't really go to Burger King that often. I always get a chicken nugget, so that's what I'm always getting because I don't really fancy burgers, you know. But in Jamaica I tried it a few times, but it wasn't my thing. KFC, that's my thing. Yeah, I can shut me and tell you what they have on the KFC menu. Yeah, because I love KFC. And comment down below and let me know if you want me to do a KFC review. Which KFC tastes better, American or Jamaican KFC? Which one tastes better to me? So let me go to it, bite and take a next bite. The meat tastes good, very nice, well cooked. The bun is soft and nice. The bun give me a Five Guys vibe. Pickles, piece of pickles still in there. Ah. The vegetable is nice and fresh on it. And the cheese, it just melts in your mouth. And then the mayo and the ketchup mixed with it. That it the pot. This tastes good. If we continue buy Burger King, man, I'm not gonna lie, the burger here get 9.5. It tastes good. Your burger tastes good. You always eat burger there, but you get a big one. But this tastes really good. It tastes nice. I don't know how to eat her. Alright, the burger at Jamaica, it can go on. But the bun is bad. The meat bad. So I would say, this is me. Nobody come for me. This is me. But I lie. The burger have a vibe. It have a vibe. But I give this a burger, yeah, a 9. I'm gonna give you one a Jamaican 8.5. Cause this have a vibe. I don't know what they do to the burger here tonight, but I'm not lie. It'll go on with itself. It tastes good. It tastes really nice. Tastes. Yeah. We prepare the burger here tonight. Do it with love. Yeah, man. We can feel the love in the burger here. So good. But the fries want some serious work on. Tastes so good. I love it. People none now leave back. Watch ya. All this up on them. It tastes good. See there? It done clean. Once the ketchup, let me show them how much ketchup or something we get. When I go Burger King in Jamaica, I have to pay for me, and that's $20. $20, yeah. So, me get. Where the one them? No. So me get 2 mayo, and she give me 3 mayo. One pull over there, so. How much ketchup? 7 ketchup. I'm fully up at them. If you want more, you ask more, them I give. And 2 sweet and sour sauce. I love sweet and sour sauce. So I don't want to ketchup them, but I'm going to save back the sweet and sour sauce. This one, because when I make fries and chicken wings, I love use the sauce. I'm going to continue to eat my fries then. Although they're not ready, I will continue with it, but yeah. So the burger go on with itself. So the meal overall with the fries, I was gonna say the burger get 9 already. So everything overall, I'm gonna rate with the meal, the fries. Let's drink Coke is Coke. But I get 8 with the fries and this. Guys, the burger itself, kick with the fries. Kick it with clean. So we kick it with clean. Yeah. The burger kick with the fries. Yeah. Look on the one here. I don't know what that. I look on the fries here. I don't know what that is. Burger King fries of Jamaica? Yeah. It's slap with this. The fries of Jamaica, but I give it a solid 8. Slap with this, a big time. So guys, comment down below and let me know if you want me to do a KFC one, Jamaica KFC versus American KFC. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, guys. Just click that like button. Just like up the video. Like it. Yeah, guys. So I have my daily bread here. So I'm gonna read this really good. So this is the one from October to November to December. So yeah, love it. Gonna read it and then browse a little bit and then say my prayer and go to my bed. So yeah, so once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and keep safe, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye. Love you. Mwah.